Okay, so how did you set up this lesson?
So for the concept map lesson, my students have had about 8 weeks of science using the vocabulary words. So they've had a lot of opportunities to talk about the words, do experiments about the words, and they felt very familiar with them. And then I chose a set of words that they would be familiar with, that were related, but also had lots of other relationships between the words, and put those on cards, and then gave each group of students chart paper. And then my groups are set up heterogeneous, so we have some students, some high achieving students, some students that need extra support. My ELD students, they're paired strategically so that they could have those collaborative conversations. All right, so today's task, our collaborative task today, is to work together to organize our review vocabulary words for science. So you have a stack of words that are from all the science lessons we've done the past 8 weeks, and we're going to review. And your job as a group is to come together with a consensus on how to organize those words based on the concepts that you know. Okay, so we're building something called a concept map. So you're working together. You need to come to a consensus before you stick them down. So take the time to manipulate them, move them around how you need to move them around until you feel confident and comfortable. You have them exactly how you want them. And then if you need to draw arrows or draw lines or draw some other way to show how those are related, you can do that when you're all done. You've come to your consensus. Do I have any questions? All right, so we're looking for agreeing, disagreeing, politely. Everybody's working together to have their good collaborative discussion and making sure that everybody has a turn.
So you got one. I got one. Yeah, liquid. Why is liquid and gas together?
No, because there's like 3 types of water.
Oh, we could put like air, like right there, and then put evaporated grams.
So grams? Wait,
One is the salt. Matter has grams.
Wait, no.
We could just put it right here. It's a liquid. Wait, no.
So for that matter.
So John, you repeat what you said about why you wanted to organize to hear each other?
Now should we draw air? No, we add these two because liquid condensates and has particles. Melt. But then when it melts, it turns. So should we put this there?
No, because like solids can like turn to liquids.
Solids can turn into liquids.
Well, liquids can go into gas and they're all matter.
Oh, okay. So they're all.
So that works out.
They can all kind of turn to the same thing.
Right? Because they can have.
Wait, we can put volume and weight next to matter because it has matter. It has to have So then on this one, what's the main topic? Liquid. Liquid melts, freezes, and it's a solid. I think for this one, it's solid.
We do liquid goes right here, and then put an arrow down. Yeah.
And then put gas. Or no, never mind.
Then put a condensation. Then point condensation to evaporate. Liquid is matter.
I'll do it. Now? No, you're doing. Then arrow. So draw
That is
gas.
true. Solid.
Okay, so now we do gas, liquid, solid, liquid, gas.
Solid can turn into a liquid, liquid can turn into a solid.
Or gas. So do 2 lines.
So what about evaporate? And should we put another arrow right here for orange? Because it equals matter and also. So do arrows going from for air, for weight, and
Condensation. So condensation is related to evaporation. Does that feel better?
Yes. And a solid solid can melt and turn into a liquid, and when liquid freezes, it can turn into a solid.
Oh, and then when can liquid, because I see a line from liquid to gas, when can a liquid turn into a gas?
When it evaporates.
Okay.
When liquid freezes, it can melt and turn into, and then when it melts and evaporates, it turns into water vapor, and then it's condensation and
Air is
compressible.
So now that you've taught the lesson, what are your next steps for the students?
So my next steps for the students is have them to go back to their concept maps, have them re-look at them and maybe put in some more headings and some more information into their concept maps, and then give them an opportunity to share their concept maps with each other so they can see the similarities and differences and really compare and contrast how different students organized and the different ways that they group the words together.